Through this in a big.
This bit's not too bad, eh?
It's not.
Oh.
I'll put it in 4 low. In case, you know.
Here we go. Shit.
See what's on. Oh, it gets even fucking deeper.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Even I like. Or is that as deep as it looks?
How far does it go?
Oh.
That's the thing.
How deep does it actually go?
How deep is it?
Third up your wheel. Actually no, it's not even a the alloy yet. You're going for it like.
I think I might.
Let's hope it even gets stuck. Oh.
Is it coming in the doors yet?
Yeah.
Hell fucking yeah!
Need bother.